Good morning, students. It's me, Harsnath Sukla, and today we are going to discuss the problem based on symmetric, skew-symmetric, and transpose of a matrix. As in last lecture, I already defined symmetric matrix, skew-symmetric matrix, and transpose of a matrix. Now, today I want to give an example of transpose of matrix. So, C A H G H B F G F C. See, in this matrix, if you change row by column, column by row, there is no effect on this matrix. Then this is a symmetric matrix. If you see the row AHG, the first row, the first column also the same. So in this question 7, so that the matrix A is equal to this is a symmetric matrix. So if you interchange row and column, there is no effect on the matrix. That is, the matrix remains same, and that's why it is a symmetric matrix. The second part, so that the given matrix A is equal to this thing is a skew symmetric matrix. For skew symmetric matrix, I already give you the definition and also the one particular sign for skew symmetric matrix is diagonal elements are 0. That means in a skew symmetric matrix diagonal elements are 0. And also A12, A21, A13, A31, whatever the elements except diagonal elements, they are of opposite sign. So this is the main thing how to know the given matrix is skew symmetric matrix. So see, in this matrix, this one is diagonal is 0 and all elements except diagonal, suppose A12 and A21, A13, A31, these all are of opposite sign. And also by definition, how will you show? This is A, you find A transpose and taking negative outside, then you see A transpose equals to minus of A. So this is a skew symmetric matrix. The next question for a question number 8, for matrix A is equal to 1, 5, 6, 7, verify this is the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. It's very simple. For this, first you find A dash. A dash means transpose of that matrix, and add A plus A dash. You will get a matrix C. You find C dash, then you will see there is no change on C. That's why it is symmetric. Similarly, you subtract A dash from A and you will get another matrix D. Suppose this is A minus A dash, and you see the diagonal elements on that matrices are 0, or you can find D dash, you will get minus of D. This indicates that the given matrix is skew symmetric matrix. Express the following matrices as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. This is the main most important question. For that, any one example you consider, suppose to be it is A, then find A dash that means the transpose of that matrix, and you will find A plus A dash and take half of that, similarly 1 by 2 A minus A dash. So you see 1 by 2 A plus A dash, this is a symmetric matrix. 1 by 2 A minus A dash, this is a skew symmetric matrix. And if you add both of them, then you will get matrix A simply. An example already given in before the exercise. Now in this you see 12, question number 12. If A is equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then A plus A dash is equal to I. Find the value of alpha. So simple. You find A dash and add it, A plus A dash, and equate it by identity matrix of order 2. You will get the value of alpha. Question number 11. If A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order, then AB minus BA is a, first A skew symmetric matrix, B symmetric matrix, zero matrix, or D identity matrix. I am just going to solve this question. See, first you see, if you want to prove AB minus BA, so first of all AB minus BA whole dash you can take. What you will get? AB whole dash minus BA whole dash. And you know already A and B are symmetric matrices. So AB dash means B dash A dash minus BA dash means A dash B dash A dash B dash. And A and B are symmetric matrices, that is B dash is B, A dash is A, BA minus A dash is A, B. So AB minus BA whole dash is BA minus AB. So you can write minus of AB minus BA. So you see AB minus BA whole dash is minus AB minus BA. So this is a skew symmetric matrix, that is answer is A, skew symmetric matrix. Thank you for today.